Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to be making some chocolate chip cookies. We have already washed our hands and we have pre-measured all the ingredients. So now we will start putting them into the mixer.
First, we put the dry ingredients, so things like the flour, the brown sugar, the baking soda, and the salt.
And then we're going to mix them together. Next we'll be adding the brown sugar.
Now we'll be putting the sugar.
Next will be the half a teaspoon of baking soda. And half a teaspoon of salt.
Now that we're done putting all the dry things, we'll start putting the liquid. So things like the
Vanilla extract, water, the eggs and the egg yolks, and the butter.
It's not coming out. It's not coming out. Can I have that game? It's not funny. When baking, you have to take this seriously.
Now we're going to add the chocolate chips. But we won't be mixing them. Okay, now we're going to lift up the top. And now we're going to mix it with our spatula. Okay, so now that we mixed it, we're going to be taking a break. Okay, now that we're back, we mixed the mixture and we made sure that our chocolate chips stayed whole and were not squished. And now we're going to put them on the tray.
Okay, so we're gonna divide it into equal portions, making sure the chocolate chips and the dough are even. We'll be putting 6 on each tray.
Okay,
Now that we're done, we'll be putting them in our preheated oven that we've had ready since the beginning of the video. Now that we've divided our dough into 17 large cookies, we'll be putting them in our preheated oven at 350.
for 10 minutes.
When you're making these cookies, make sure to be careful around the stove because you can burn yourself. We'll be back in 10 minutes to see how our cookies are doing. It's been 10 minutes and the timer has went off. So now we'll be taking out the cookies. We've turned off the oven because it can still be very, very hot. We're making sure to use a cloth to take out the trays because the trays can be very warm.
Now, these are our cookies when they are done. Yeah, that's it.
It's been a long time.
Hopefully you guys like them tomorrow when we bring them to class. Inshallah.
Thank you for listening. Assalamu.